guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have new releases for January 12th to share with you. All of these new releases will be live at midday, I was gonna say midnight, 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and they will be available on prettyonpaperco.com. So today we're focusing on notes pages for the A5 ring planner, and as you're watching this, there's also a flip through in my A5 planner of all of these notes pages laid out so you can see exactly what they look like. In the past, we didn't have all of our notes pages kits available for A5, but now we have every single one available for A5. So I hope you guys are excited. Like last week's video, I'm not going to go through these in a ton of detail. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Like I said, I go through more detail in the flip through for A5, so take a look at that over there. The Happy Mail notes pages kit, the wedding notes pages kit, TV, movies, travel bucket list, trips, when did I last, girl boss, weight tracker, reading, the finances kit, spring cleaning, favorite shops, wine, 52 week savings challenge, coupon code. I feel like I have a deck of cards right now. Birthday party, dinner party, meals, birthday gifts, general goals, shop goals, and Planner Boss Collective or PBC. Oh, I can't get that last sheet. So those are all of the A5 kits coming to the shop tomorrow at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Like I said, it is our entire collection of notes pages kits, so they will all be available for you. And next we have a really exciting kit to share with you. From now on in 2018, on the second Friday of every month, we will be releasing a photo kit. And this month's photo kit is one of my absolute favorites, if not my favorite of all time, because Gary and I took these pictures ourselves, and it features my little baby Baymax. So this is the Fleur collection, and I'll just move this so you guys can take a look at the full boxes in all of their glory. Gary and I had so much fun taking these pictures. I had so much fun buying the props for these pictures. Baymax had so much fun. LOL JK, I bribed him with a cat treat. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this. It's perfect for like an anniversary, a birthday, a vacation, Mother's Day, anything. It's so perfect. It's perfect for just a random week in spring. If you just feel like having some champagne in bed, you go for it. So let's go through this. The first part of the kit is, as usual, the no white space kit. And like I mentioned in last week's video, this is the only kit, I just had to turn my phone off. This is the only kit that comes with glitter headers. So if you order the no white space kit, you do not need to add glitter headers to your order. It comes with them automatically. So these are the glitter headers, so cute. The full boxes, which you guys, come on. Oh, I need to use this kit like ASAP. The functional sheet, and I love this color scheme. It's like super pastel and just so perfect for spring. I just love it so much. Headers and little things, checklists, half boxes, and bottom washi. And this is the bottom washi for this kit. Can we talk about this? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. So obsessed. And then we have the white space kit, which comes with the same full boxes sheet, the same functional sheet, and then this is the white space half boxes sheet, half boxes, date covers, headers, and washi. Then the same bottom washi, some headers and sidebars, and glitter. Oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought because I realized that this bottom washi's cut wrong. I'm so glad that I noticed that. Some glitter boxes, bill due sidebars, and scalloped labels. Put this to the side to go in the reject pile. Okay, moving swiftly on. That wasn't embarrassing at all. Next, we have our mini kit, and oh my god, you guys, I'm just so happy. These boxes are just life, like seriously. Oh, and I never mentioned, obviously you guys can read, "Let's make this moment last forever" is the quote, and I just love that it's in black. It just like pops so much. But anyway, the mini kit has 8 full boxes that are sized to fit the Erin Condren horizontal, but they can also be used in your inserts or traveler's notebooks. So you get 8 full boxes, a sidebar, headers, and habit trackers. And this is your functional page, which is the same as the other functional page in the white space and no white space kit, but the checklists are shorter, so you get a scalloped label and 3 heart icons as well. Oh, every time I see this, oh my god, I feel like I just need to use this like all spring. All throughout spring. So this is the monthly kit, and again, I'm so obsessed with it. This is actually like a really good April kit. Isn't Easter in April? I'm pretty sure Easter is in April. So like the perfect Easter kit. Okay, so as usual in our monthly kits, you can choose which month you put in the top header. I chose April for this, but you can choose any month you want. So if you want to put it on your anniversary month, you can choose your anniversary month. And you can also choose whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday. And then the quote for this is the same: "Let's make this moment last forever." Then you have page 2 of your monthly kit, and that is the base kit. And then you have your monthly kit add-ons. So you have finances, fitness, mom life, and YouTube. And then to finish off this collection, we have our collection notes pages kits. So you have option A with your long this month bar, header, currently box, word of the month, and goals list. And then you have option B with your notes header, currently, a blank checklist, a goals list, and then another blank checklist. And I need to redesign that. I did not notice this. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been like working since 5:30 today. I'm a little bit tired. Okay, so that is everything coming to the shop tomorrow at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Like I said, if you want to see these kits in a little bit more detail, head on over to the flip through that I'm going to leave linked here and down below in the description box. I'm going to do this so that it doesn't drive me crazy. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you all like the new releases. Let me know if you love this kit as much as I do in a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.